guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing these new pigments that I got from TKB Trading. So first we're going to start off with this first one. Is called Orange Oxide. It is cosmetics mineral pigments for general cosmetic use, including your eyes. So this is like a very pretty brownish orange, as you can see. It's very pretty. What I with this color, probably because I think it goes with my skin tone. So this is a very pretty color. So next I'm going to go with the Radical Rose. Now this color, it reminds me of Sparkle Rose. Everybody loves Sparkle Rose. So yeah, it's very similar. It just looks more like a glitter, but it's very pretty. And guys, when you buy pigments, make sure they are lip approved. So yeah, this is very pretty, and all of these are 2.5 grams or 6 grams. This is 2.5 grams. So yeah, this is definitely, it definitely looks like Sparkle Rose, but it's so pretty though. So I can't wait to try this one. So the next one I'm going to do is Corn Yellow. It reminds me of 24K Gold, but 24K Gold is more of a goldish, and this is more on the yellow side, but it looks just like a gold glitter, guys. It's not holographic, as you can see, but it is very pretty. And then here's the back. But yeah, guys, this is a very pretty gold, and it is 6 grams. And all of these are sample sizes, and I got all of these from tkbtrading.com. I know a lot of people keep asking me, where do I get these from? I'm like, it's in the title of the video. It's in the description. Okay. And yeah, remember, these are sample sizes. So the fourth one is Soft Violet. This reminds me of the pink, purple, blue color. I think I said that right. But it reminds me of that. It's a very pretty purple, solid purple. There's no glitter in this at all, as you can see. But yeah, here's the back. But yeah, I think a lot of people would definitely love this color because everybody loves purple, right? But yeah, that's so pretty. Alright, moving on. My Mix. A lot of people said they really can't wait for me to try this color because I posted it on my community post, all my new colors. But yeah, this is very pretty as well. It's kind of like a pinkish red, but kind of on the pinkish side. But it's very pretty. It's 6 grams. All of these pigments cost $1 and like 65 cents through like $3. Depending on the color, it will definitely cost more. I feel like the prettier colors, they want to charge you more versus the regular colors. But yeah, it's very pretty. It kind of reminds me of raspberry. The raspberry, I can't remember what it was called, but it was something to do with raspberry. I did a video on it on my channel, so definitely check out my tinted videos. But yeah, this is very pretty. The next one is Princess, yeah, Marina. Probably didn't pronounce that right. But yeah, this is very pretty too. This definitely looks more like just a glitter. It's kind of like an orangey glitter, but it's pretty though, and I really like the name of it. So yeah, I definitely can't wait to try out this pigment, and it is 2.5 grams. The next one is My Mix Peach. It kind of reminds me of, man, I really can't think of these other tinted color names, but it's like a pale pinkish color. It's like really, really pale, but it's pretty though. And yes, it's lip approved, and it's 6 grams. But it's very pretty for like looking for like a pale color, and mix it with some glitter. That would be bomb. But yes, that is very pretty. Again, all of these are sample sizes. This is Bishop's Violet. I feel like I already got this color, but then I wasn't sure. But it's so pretty though. It reminds me of the Soft Violet, but it kind of has like this bluish tone to it. It's a purple, like a blue tone. So I'm gonna pull up the other one. So that is the difference between these two. Like this one kind of has like a bluish tone to it, and this one is kind of plain purple. But they're both really pretty though. So yeah, definitely check out these two colors. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. I don't know why TKB Training hasn't sponsored me yet. They're playing games. But yeah, this is Blaze. Now this color is very, very pretty. This color costs more than all of these. This was like $3 and something, but the rest are like $1 or $2 some change. But yeah, this is like $3 some change. It's 2.5 grams. Lip approved. But like something about this color was different to me. And I was like, yeah, I've definitely got to try this color because it's so pretty. It's different. It's not like, you know, the rest of the colors. But it's kind of like a orangey, browny, purple-ish type of color. It's kind of hard to explain. And kind of, you know, goldy. But it's pretty though. It kind of reminds me of the other pigment. So not quite this loud, but definitely a mixture kind of in there of this color. But it is very pretty. Again, all these pigments are brand new. Have not used any of these colors. So now we're going to move on to True Coral. This color also reminds me of that raspberry pigment. It's a red pigment, but it's very pretty. There aren't any, you know, real shimmers in this color, but it's pretty though, because like everybody loves like a red, you know, color. And a lot of people keep asking me, do these actually tint the lip gloss? And everybody keeps asking me to show a swatch. If you guys actually watch my tinted videos, I show a swatch at the end of every single video. So people that keep asking me for swatches, it's just telling me you're not watching the video. That's why I don't even bother to respond to those type of comments. But yeah, guys, a lot of people keep asking me, how do you get this to actually show on your lips? The more pigment you add, the more you see on your lips. Again, these are a light tinted color, so nothing would be like loud. It's not going to be loud like lipstick. It's going to be like a slight, you know, tinted gloss of whatever color pigment that you choose. But yeah, that is this color. The next color is Sweet Tea. I love that name. That's a really pretty name. But yeah, it's kind of like this brownish, orangey kind of color, you know, but it's very pretty. It reminds me of Blaze. Let me get out Blaze. Where did Blaze go? Yeah, see how similar that is? But Sweet Tea is like a tad bit darker. Just a tad. But it's so pretty though. Because see, this is like a true tinted color, and this was kind of like glittering, as you can see, and this one's not. But yeah, this is very pretty. I can't wait to see what this color looks like. But moving on to the next color, we have, let's see, new Marina Star. I think I said that right. 2.5 grams, as you can see. It is like just a glitter. So it doesn't really look like a pigment, it's just like raw glitter. But it's like a aqua, it's like a really pale aqua color. But it's so pretty though. Like, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I can't wait to see what this will look like. And a lip gloss, and maybe add like a gold to it. But no, I think gold will take away from it. Maybe like just silver, because silver is really close to this color. But yeah, that's really pretty. This is 2.5 grams. So again, moving on to the next one, we have, what is that? Shanaira Sun. This is also just like a glitter. It's like a fairy dust kind of, but it is pretty though. I can't lie, it is pretty. So yeah, that is the back. But yeah, that would make a very pretty lip gloss as well. So I'm going to move on to the next gloss. That is Pickpocket Pink. This is also kind of like a glitter, but then it looks like it could be like a actual pigment too though, because it looks kind of thick, as you can see. But yeah, that is very pretty. It's a very pretty pink. Definitely has some shimmers in there, as you can see. But that is like gorgeous. And this is 2.5 grams. Moving on to, okay. So I bought the, what is this? Starbite Collection sample. So those were 3 colors. And so I already took them out of the box, so I don't remember what 3 it was, because they're not actually on the they're not actually on this. So it's out of these 4 colors. There were 3 white colors, but then I bought the 3 white colors. But then I bought an additional white colors. So I can't remember which one. Maybe it was this one that I bought, and then the other 3 came together. So let's start with this one. This is TKB Limerick sample. I don't know why there's not a description on this one, but on TKB Trading it said lip approved. But yeah, this is like a silver color, which is really pretty. I have not seen like a silver like tinted lip gloss, so that would be really different. So I can't wait to try this one. I'm going to move on to the actual Star by collection, and this is the first one. You know, I can't even pronounce that H word. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'm going to skip that one. I'm just going to call this a violet as well. It's like a white with like a purple tone, as you can see, which is really pretty. So yeah, guys, that is that one. The next one is, what is that? Flamenco Super Pearl. It's also a white pigment, and it's supposed to have some type of color to it as well. Can't see it, but when I do mix it up, I should definitely be able to see what true color it is. But yeah, so this is kind of like a mystery color, so I wonder what this is going to look like. But that's very pretty. Last but not least, we have Sharika Moon. So this also kind of has like a purple tone to it, as you can see, which is very, very pretty. And I can't wait to try out this pigment. So now I'm just going to show you all my pigments together. So yeah, guys, these are all the pigments, as you can see. I can't remember how many pigments I bought, but I do remember how much I paid. I paid over $40 for all of these pigments, but they're also pretty, and I can't wait to try them. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what these glosses actually turn out to look like with these pigments. So hit that like button, comment button, subscribe, and I see you guys in my next video.